Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the garage. Thanks for joining me today. We're in the garage. We're looking at my 2024 Tesla Model Y long range. I've owned this for about 2.5 months or so. I got it in March. We're now in May. I only have 270 miles on this car, so I haven't driven it very much. Reason being, I've had 5 Teslas. When I bought this, it was my 5th Tesla in the garage. And I was driving the other ones. I had a Model S and a Model 3 I've recently sold. And so now I'm driving this a little bit more, but I also wanted to hold off on getting it protected. I have the paint protection film all on it now. Stay tuned for that video. I know I've been teasing you with that one, but that one's coming up very soon. Today, though, I want to put in some aftermarket floor liners, some floor mats, because the factory floor mats that come with Tesla, there's no protection in the back or the front. The carpet floor mats that you get in the back row and in the front and driver seat areas, they're very cheap, they're very thin. After about 6 months of using them, they'll look like really worn out. And so there's some great options out there. Today we're looking at a set from Superliner. They've partnered with the channel. They've sent us some mats to check out and review. So I want to get these installed in the car, show you their 6-piece set that's going to not only cover the cargo area and the front area, but also it's going to cover the rear passenger and front passenger areas as well. All right, so I've had these sitting out in the sun for about 30 minutes just to get warm, so they're nice and pliable. They'll fit really easily in the car. This is the sub-trunk area. So under the cargo area here, there's a sub-trunk. That's going to go there. This is our cargo area in the back. We've got our second row, driver, passenger, and they even have a nice one for the front trunk. So let's get all these installed, and I want to show you how well they fit. One thing unique with these is most of these Model Y mats don't come cut out like this on these front mats. So this gives a little more protection because most of them will just be rounded right across here. This gives you a little more protection. It goes a little further back, and I like that. So let's see how that fits inside the car. Okay, so here in the rear cargo area, this is kind of a cheap carpet the Tesla Model Ys come with, and so even just using this a little bit, you're going to see some wear on this. So you want to get a mat for this. This is going to help protect down below. So underneath here, we've got some deep storage, and we can see this piece just fits right there. It provides a little protection. It's more non-skid than what's in here. Things are not going to rattle around as much, and it's going to provide a little protection down there. So I like that there's that. If something spills down there, you can just take the mat out and wipe it out really easily. Set this cover back down. Okay, this cargo mat here is going to fit very easily. It fits nicely around the edges right here. You still have access to this loop right here to get into that. And I like that it's kind of naturally hinged right here, so you can still get into this and it still flips up really easily. So I think this is a really cool feature, that this folds up really easily and you can easily get into your sub-trunk area. This is also going to provide a little like non-skid surface, so things are not going to roll around as easily. It's just going to protect this carpet area. All right, here's our second row piece, and this fits really well around here. The Model Y has these risers that the seats sit on, and this fits very nicely around those. Okay, you see here in the back, these are those risers. It fits very nicely around those. Fits nicely there, right around there, so you got really good protection all the way around. And then it even comes up a little bit here behind. Shoes are kind of bumping into this. The back, this is going to protect the carpet along the back here. I like the simplistic look of the mat. It's not a crazy design. It's very simple, very clean looking design. That's how I really like a mat to look. And it's got some nice protection, so if water, things, dirt, mud can easily be cleaned up and scrubbed off. Our front passenger one fits very good. This is a really nice design. Like I was pointing out, this is unique with mats. A lot of these mats aren't coming with this protection that comes back here. So it's providing a little more protection. The mat looks like it's a factory mat. It doesn't have any like weird logos or big badging on it. Just a really simple look, makes it really look nice. So that one fits good. Let's get the driver one installed. All right, so here's our driver mat. So same with this one as well. It looks really nice. It fits good. I mean, the fit is very nice. Some of these mats on the driver's side will only come up to like right here. This has like an extended footrest area, so that way you're not going to wear out the carpet there. Fits really snugly there. It's not going to move either. The thing's really tight. I like this little area right here, and it even covers back over to here. So this is going to hold some water if you spill water. You got water on your feet, you got mud, snow, slush. That's all going to be kept really well. I like the look of these a lot. I like that simple look of the mat. And here's the front piece. So we're in the front trunk. Now this is like a hard plastic floor here. So if you put things in here, and it's got these grooves in it, which, you know, it's nice, but things can rattle around. Things can get damaged if they're just, you know, floating around in here. So this gives us some nice protection. It's going to get a little more padding. Going to drop in there nice. And if you have things in here and they spill, this is going to be nice and easy to be able to just pull them out, take it out. So that's a great protection piece for the front. Guys, so there you go. This is one of my first modifications for the car, is kind of getting it protected. When you get one of these cars, this is probably going to be one of your first things you want to do. Get these all-weather mats. That way, all the dirt, the snow, the mud, it's going to wipe off very easy. It's going to clean up easily. You got all of your cargo areas protected. So this is just a nice, affordable, very good value, and a very good looking set. There's no weird smells coming from them either. So I looked at some that have like a really strong odor to them. Not these ones. These ones are pretty good. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to see the link below. Big shout out to Superliner for partnering with us and sending these mats to try out. Guys, stay tuned to the channel for more videos. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.